Generic replacement roller heads for finishing touch flawless Pedi cordless machine. Pedi includes 6 roller heads. 3 fine roller for polishing and everyday maintenance and 3 coarse roller for smoothing stubborn calluses and dead skin. Especially suitable for removes calluses dry cracked skin. Make your machine works like brand new again. P4L. Less cost, less worry, less time, less difference. Number of items. 1. Features. Your at-home pedicure solution. This listing is the 6-piece replacement roller head fit for your flawless pedi tool. These replacement heads does everything for an at-home pedicure. Files nails, removes calluses and more. Our roller heads are made from specialty quartz crystal micro-mineral designed for long-term use and durability. The mineral clear quartz is known to be soothing to the skin by eliminating blistering. You'll get -6 new replacement rollers heads for finishing touch Pedi cordless machine. Notice: if you have any question, please feel free to contact us via Amazon. We will try our best to serve you. Top reviews from the United States. What's not to love? This works on my rough heels. I can take care of my own feet without spending a fortune. I use at night, and apply moisturizer with socks. This tool does work.